So Steve, we're here at Guhring UK today and we've been doing some indexable milling, maybe something you wouldn't associate with Guhring. So why now? Why add indexable product to the portfolio?
Well, it's quite an important part for Holfelder now to have indexable. Obviously it complements the range, our milling range very well, and also enables us to quote for full tooling packages as well. So yeah, it complements our milling range very, very well.
So by trade, Steve, you're a CNC machinist, so what's your opinion of the tools?
They're a fantastic tool. As you've seen, we've just demoed the 45-degree approach face mill. It will stand up to the best of tools really. It's a nice positive insert with double-sided, 8-edged. Yeah, and it's as good as any out there on the market.
We're machining EN24 today, so obviously we've got the grade for that, but how about other materials, maybe stainlesses, aluminiums and tricky materials?
Yeah, at the moment our range and chip breakers and coatings cover steels, stainless steels, cast irons and aluminiums. We've got a nice selective range actually, Joe. We've got 7 different grades and 7 different geometries covering all stainless steels, cast irons and some difficult to machine materials as well.
And how about the 90-degree?
The 90-degree will cover the same. We've got an extensive range in those, covering all different geometries and grades, with also aluminium added on there as well.
So in terms of the cutter bodies, what diameters do you have?
Diameters for the 45-degree face mills range from 40 up to 125 mil. For the 90-degree approach cutters, we've got 25 up to 80. So the 25 and 32 will be a cylindrical shank, and then above that then we'll need a face mill arbor.
So more new tools from Guhring. What's next?
Well, Joe, we're already looking at extending the range even further. So here at Guhring we don't like to stand still, we like to innovate.